Hi, I'm Sveta from FounderPal. We create tools that help founders with marketing, and today I'm going to show you how to use our free value proposition generator. This is an AI-powered tool that will help you create a holistic value proposition that will take into account your customers and your product peculiarities. Go to FounderPal.ai and find Value Proposition Generator. All you need to do now is to enter your business description and your target audience description. As an example, I will create a value proposition for a minimalistic to-do app. Minimalistic to-do app, and my target audience is solopreneurs who usually have lots of tasks. Generate free value proposition. All right, in just a couple of seconds, my value proposition is ready. I got insights about my customers and my product. Let's start with customer. Now I know point A, what problem my customer has and where is the current state. Also, I know obstacles that prevent my customer from buying the product. And also I know point B, where my customers wants to be, what he or she wants to achieve, and the magnets that nudges the customer to finally solve the problem and buy my product. And the second block is about your product. The most important part here is transformation. This is how life of your customers will change after purchasing and starting using your product. And of course, you should back it with features on how it is implemented in your product. Of course, you are not the only solution on the market and you have competitors, and you should tell your customers, your potential customers, on how your solution is different, what features you have, and how you stand out from the competitors. That's it. In just a couple of minutes, we generated a value proposition for our business. It gave us some ideas on how to communicate with customers, what should we put on the landing page, what features should we add to the product, and got the brainstorming process going. Go to FounderPal.ai and generate value proposition for your business idea. Start your marketing week right now.